Hey everyone, this is Anna here, and today I'm unboxing this pottery wheel from Vevor. They sent it to me and I thank you so much. I am going to try it out. I'm gonna throw a few pieces and give you my honest review, but I'm excited to open the box and let's open it together. Let's see what's inside this box. So here is the pottery wheel machine, user manual. Excuse me, Lulu. So, first impressions, it looks like it was well packed. Excited. It has this foam, so it's really well packed and it won't move, so they put this foam around. They have these protecting the wheel head. Everything looks good. So let's see how heavy this is. Let's see if I can pull these out myself. It's quite heavy. So here it is. So that's the splash pan. Came undone as I was pulling it out. This is the paddle. Seems sturdy, like a sturdy plastic. Is the power cord. Let's see. It came with some. Let's see. It came with some beginner tool set. So it's got everything that you need. It's got a metal rib, a sponge, a trimming tool. This wooden one is really good. I use mine all the time, so now I have an extra one. Is for it's for trimming like the bottom part to take that excess. This is a larger trimming tool and another wooden rib and a wire to wire things off from the bat. And this is the trimming set that looks really nice. I don't have this style of trimming tool, so I'm curious to try it. It seems pretty sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's got 8 different trimming tools. It comes with it. So, and first impressions, it looks really nice. It's a little lower than the ones I'm used to seeing. Like mine is much higher, but I think this is adjustable. So I'm gonna bring this to an area to have it set up, and I'll show you how I do it, and I'll see if I need to raise the legs a little bit, and we'll start throwing to show you my honest review. So I'm excited to try this new wheel. It's a Vevor 11-inch wheel. I did adjust the legs to make it a little taller. It added about maybe about 3 to 4 inches taller. The wheel I have is a little bit taller than this, so but it works because my chair is also adjustable, so I made it lower, so right now it's just right. And this is about 1 pound of clay I have here. just pulling the wall. See if I can make a mug from this. So far it seems very responsive, like the speed. You know, it's very responsive on the paddle when I wanted to slow down. And just gonna try to make a little bit more of a belly on this mug, or what's going to be a mug. So these are the two ribs that I like to use. You just have to be careful because you can cut yourself with this. And I'm going to use this tool that came with the set, just to take some of the clay from the bottom here. So you just remove some of that excess clay from the bottom here. This is actually a nice tool. I have one that I use it quite a bit. It also doesn't make that screeching sound against the metal. So that's a nice one. Just gonna clean my hands to get these off. And this is the wire tool that came with the set. And it works just fine. So not bad for the first pass. I like it. I mean, it's a great wheel for beginners, I think. It costs much less than the one that I have is a Shimpo Whisper, which costs about $1,600 now. It was much cheaper when I bought it, and this one is a little bit over 100. So if I was starting out now, that's the one I would buy, this one for me, because even if later on you decide to buy another one, it's always nice to have a small wheel like this. Like this is 11 inches for the wheel head. And I have another one that is a Shimpo Aspire that is similar to this. It's a small one. And it's great for making small things. So it's nice to have two wheels. So anyways, that's not bad for first pass. So I'm gonna attempt now to throw a larger bowl, a larger piece with 4 pounds of clay on this wheel, and let's see how it performs. Whenever I'm throwing a larger piece, I try to center as much as I can already on the wheel, so you don't have to work too hard. And this is that new clay that I'm using. The mug that I made before was White Bear, and this one is Laguna Speckled Bee Mix. And it's a little hard than usual, this clay, because it's been sitting on my garage now for a while. So I should have hydrated a little better. I like to throw with softer clay. So it's handling well, even with my, pushing the clay down. Still performing pretty well. I wanted a wider base bowl. Okay. So far so good. He's handling the 4 pounds really well. I don't want to go beyond that, mostly because I have problems with my hands. But it looks like he handles the weight of the clay pretty well. I'm gonna slow down just a little bit now, just to shape it. still pull a little more. I'm just gonna clean the slurry with the rib. Metal rib. Maybe I can do another. See if I can do another pull. Mostly because I know there is more clay here on the bottom. It's a pretty deep bowl. I'm very happy with this. Very happy with how it turned out. Yeah, I'm very happy with this, the shape and everything. It's like, again, I will recommend this for anyone who is starting out that wanted to try, that don't want to spend 1,600 on a Shimpo wheel or any other wheels that are pretty high priced. This one is just a little over $100, I believe. So using the link below and you get a discount. So I think you will love it. I'm pretty happy with it. So thanks for watching, guys. This is my recommendation.